Hi, I'm Daniela from Buttercreme Lane and I'm here with my Kenwood Titanium, about to show you what's rumoured to be the royal wedding cake. So let's get started by preheating your fan forced oven to 160 and lining your desired cake tin with either baking paper or a grease-proof spray. So we've got our unsalted butter going in there. Then we've got our caster sugar, and we're going to cream this with our K-beater, starting on a low speed and then bringing it up faster. So we're going to add in our 7 eggs, add in one at a time, beat really well, and once mixed in, add your next one. Now that our butter, eggs and sugar have all creamed together, we're going to add some vanilla bean paste and mix well one more time. So now grab all your dry ingredients and sift it through and add it in about a cup at a time. So up to our last cup of flour with all our dry ingredients sifted in, we're just going to beat it up one more time and get it nice and fluffy. So have a look at this batter. It's thick and luscious and you can smell that cardamom. So we've got 2 cups of buttermilk and we're going to pour in 1 cup at a time, mix it well and get this batter nice and yummy. So we're coming to the end of our batter recipe, and one of my little secrets is this fold-in tool. So to get the desiccated coconut in, you attach this tool and it's going to lightly fold in your ingredients to make sure our batter stays nice and fluffy. So add in your lemon juice and lemon zest. So we're going to create our elderflower and lemon syrup. So you need your caster sugar, your lemon juice, a cup of water, and we're going to bring that to the boil, then allow it to simmer for 10 minutes until thick and the sugar has dissolved. So now when you add your elderflower cordial, just add it to taste. So we're going to make our Swiss meringue. You're going to get your caster sugar over a double boil and your egg whites. Once in, give it a good whisk until it's well combined and the sugar's dissolved. So we're going to transfer it back over to our Kenwood. So our balloon whisk is going to do all the magic here. We've moved over our sugar and egg whites into the bowl and we're going to beat it up till it's nice and fluffy. So now with your butter at room temperature, you're going to add 1 piece at a time and whip it all in together. So up to the creme de la creme, which is tearing up our wedding cake. We've already started with our 10-inch and 8-inch and we're moving on to our top tier, which is our 6-inch. So here we go. We've cut it into 3 layers and we'll start off with our Swiss meringue. A nice big dollop in the middle. Then we get our good quality lemon curd because it tastes the best. Now for our gorgeous elderflower syrup, I like to put it on my middle layer of every tier. If you do like a stronger flavour, you can put it all the way through. A nice drizzle and let it soak in. It's going to be so yum. So we've got all our layers nice and stacked up. We're going to mount it on our top tier. So a little chocolate, pop it on. And now we'll smooth out the edges. And there you have it, your very own royal wedding cake.